Hi friends, this is Mohammad Gibran and welcome to our tutorial series for C Sharp and Microsoft Visual Studios. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the more tools from our toolbox. So suppose if you want to show some images in your software or your application, so how can you accomplish that? So to do that, you need something known as a picture box. Okay, so we will go and search in our toolbox for an element or a tool known as the picture box, which is over here. I will drag and drop, and let me just resize it for our convenience. Fine. Okay, done. Now you have this image box in your form, and now how to load an image into your form. So for that, click this small arrow over here and choose image, local resources, then import, then navigate to your image and hit open. And once you see your image, which you cannot see it completely, so let me show you what is our complete image. It looks something like this, but you can't see it over here. So what's the problem? The problem is our image size is very big. So let us arrange the size of our image in our picture box. Let me select the size mode and I will select the stretch image. Okay, once you do that, then our image will be arranged according to our picture box. Okay, so then we will try to run our application. So this is our application with the image into it. Okay, so this is one way to load images into your picture box, and I will show you one more method to do the same functionality. So let me close it, and I will just remove this image. Clear. Okay, and I will again set this size to normal. Okay, and then we will add one button to our form. So till then, thanks for watching.